Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the battery health on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the Samsung Members app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on Diagnostics. Now from here, just tap on Phone Diagnostics. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Battery Status. Now, as you can see, the battery health of our smartphone is currently good. Now, if you tap on test again, it will test the battery of your smartphone. And as you can see, this is the battery capacity of our smartphone. And as I said earlier, this is the battery health of our smartphone. And this is how you can check the battery health on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.